In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subdomain in GoDaddy. We'll walk through using GoDaddy's DNS settings to set up a subdomain and forward it to the destination you choose. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account, and once you're in, look to the top right and open the account menu by clicking your username. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything you own in GoDaddy. Find the domain you want to work on and select it. On the Domains page, open the DNS Settings. This is where all of your domain's records and forwarding options live. In the DNS Manager, scroll until you see the Forwarding section. There are two areas here, one for the domain itself and one for subdomains. Make sure you're in the subdomain section, then click Add Forwarding. You'll see a field for the subdomain. Type only the subdomain label you want to create, just the part before the dot. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com, simply enter blog here, not the full domain. Next, choose the protocol for the destination, HTTP or HTTPS. If the place you're forwarding to has a valid SSL certificate, pick HTTPS. If you're not sure, HTTPS is usually the safer choice for modern sites that support it. In the destination field, type the full address you want this subdomain to point to. That's your subdomain name followed by your domain name, like blog.yourdomain.com, or another full URL if that's where you want the traffic to go. Double-check spelling. One typo can break the forwarding. Now look for forward type. You'll have three choices. Permanent, also called 301, is best if this forwarding is meant to be long-term and you want search engines to treat it as the new, lasting location. Temporary, or 302, is useful for short-term campaigns or tests when you don't want search engines to store the change permanently. Forward with masking keeps your subdomain visible in the browser's address bar while showing content from the destination. It can be handy, but may impact SEO and can sometimes interfere with how certain sites load. When everything looks right, click Save. GoDaddy will apply the change. Forwarding can take a few minutes to go live, and in some cases up to half an hour. If you don't see it immediately, give it a bit of time, or try checking in a private browsing window. That's it. Your subdomain is set up through GoDaddy's forwarding.